If you are facing multiple attackers in real situations, it's always better to fight with a weapon. Hi guys, this is Ishan Bhosle, self-defense instructor from Hybrid Warrior Academy. In this video, I'll be showing you how to fight with a stick. This comes from Filipino martial arts called Kali, Arnis or Eskrima. These are the three interchangeable terms used for this Filipino martial art. Filipino martial arts is all about fighting with weapons. So first we'll see how to hold the stick. There are two ways of holding the stick. One is at the extreme end. This gives you the reach. Another is to hold one fist away from the end. So this gives you more control. It's always better to hold it over here. One fist away from the end. So this is how you hold the stick. Next we'll see how to take a stance. So if you're holding the stick in your right hand, you can keep your right leg forward and left leg backward. Your weapon hand will be forward, and the other hand will be near the solar plexus. So this is how you guard. Now from here we'll go further for strikes. So from here we can apply strike number 1 and 2. From here, take your stick towards the right shoulder, go diagonally downward towards your right hip and come back in the guard. So this is your strike number 1. From here, we can take your hand back towards the left shoulder and come down towards the right hip and all the way up and then come back in the guard. This is your strike number 2. First practice strike number 1 couple of times till you get used to it. Now practice strike number 2. Whenever you are applying the strikes, don't apply just with the hands. You have to use your whole body into the strikes. So if I am applying strike number 1, you have to rotate your shoulders, hips as well as your foot. So from here, take your hand back and rotate your shoulders, waist and your foot. Same way, when you are applying strike number 2, you bring your left shoulder forward, left hip forward and rotate your left foot. Once you get used to these strikes, then you can combine both the strikes. So first you can do strike number 1 and then strike number 2. 1 and 2 and then come back in the guard. 1, 2, back in the guard. Once you have practiced strike number 1 and 2, then practice reverse. That is strike number 2 and 1. 2 and 1. 2, 1. Once you get used to this, then you can combine it in a loop. That is 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2 or 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, whatever. So the application can be, say for example, if someone attacks, if we are fighting forward, we can apply it strike number 1 and 2 or 2 and 1. However, it is possible. If someone attacks me from left side, I'll turn and apply strike number 1 and 2. If I turn towards my right side, then I can apply first strike number 2 and then 1. So this is how it can be applied. If you have any doubt, any questions related to this, please feel free to comment below. If you like our video, please click on the like button, subscribe the channel and please share with your friends. Thank you.